Tesla's AI robot can now repair itself. Here's why it's a big deal. Tesla's Optimus robot just reached a new milestone. It's starting to diagnose and repair its own problems, without human help. Here's why this breakthrough matters way more than you think. What happened until now? Robots needed human engineers to troubleshoot even the smallest issues. But Tesla's latest AI upgrade allows Optimus to monitor itself, detect small failures or imbalances, and start adjusting internally all on its own. How self-repair works: using AI-powered vision, force sensors, and real-time feedback. The robot analyzes movements and identifies when something is wrong, like joint misalignment, motor strain, or performance loss. Then it adjusts its own operation or flags internal systems before a human even notices the problem. Why this is a big deal: self-repair isn't just a cool feature, it changes the entire future of robotics. Lower maintenance costs for companies, less downtime in factories, robots becoming truly independent in the real world. Experts believe self-healing robots could soon dominate industries like logistics, healthcare, and construction. Final thoughts: if Tesla's robots can repair themselves, they could soon operate 24/7 almost without human supervision. The question is no longer if machines can think. It's now how fast they'll become completely self-reliant. What do you think? Are self-repairing robots the future, or a step too far? Subscribe now for more AI and Tesla updates, and let's keep exploring this crazy future together. Rocket!